and welcome to Crafty Club. Yes, this is our last video of the 2020 holiday season. December has really flown by. So this video is going to be me showing all of the gifts that I've made, and I'm going to show you different ways that you can wrap your gifts. So please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. On to the video. Alright, so this first gift is the sun catcher, and remember that all of the links of all of these things that I've made will be in the description box. Most of them I have a video for, but for those of them that I don't, there will be no link. So I have this box, and I'm just putting some of the, I don't know what you call it, fake grass, the paper grass in it, and then I'm just putting my sun catcher in it, putting the box on, and then I had this adorable Christmas tree wrapping paper, and so I'm just wrapping it up. And then I have my tag, and then I'll just stick that on too. Alright, so the next gift that I'm wrapping is my needlepoint ornament. So again, I have the grass. I'm just doing the same thing that I did last time. I have the paper grass, or whatever you call it, and I'm just sticking my ornament, putting the lid on, and then I have this really nice Christmas tree wrapping paper that I have. So I'm just going to wrap it in that, and once that's all done, I'm just going to stick on my label. Alright, the next one is another ornament. This one is an angel, and so I'm wrapping this one a little differently. Well, I mean a lot differently. So I have my red tissue paper, and I'm just going to wrap it up in that, and then I'm going to stick it into my little cello bag. I recommend that every crafter has these. I mean, you'll never know when you can use them. So, and then I'm just wrapping it up in a ribbon and a bow, and then I have this Merry Christmas tag, and I'm just going to tie that on too. This next gift is the Spotify glass art. I really loved how this one turned out, and so I have this adorable peppermint wrapping paper. So I'm just simply doing the classic wrap for this one. And then I have my label, and I'm just going to stick that on too. Alright, my next gift is the little trinket dish, and I'm sending this, so I wrapped it in bubble wrap and 2 layers of tissue paper. Then I cut a piece of tissue paper into half and stuck that in with my trinket dish, and then I'm taking an adorable little ribbon and tying it up, and then I'm adding my tag. Alright, so this next gift is a bird drawing. So I spent a few days drawing this, and so we just bought a frame and we put it in the frame, and so I'm just packing the frame back up into the box, and now I have this wrapping paper. It makes an appearance again, the one that's gold with the Christmas trees. So I'm just going to wrap that up, and then I'll slap my tag on. This is how the sign turned out. I remember, I don't know if you guys watched my video before this, but that was, I said that you would have to watch this video to see how it turned out, so that's how it turned out. And I have this adorable Christmas lights wrapping paper, and it's a pretty big gift, so I'm just wrapping that in the wrapping paper, and then I have my little tag, and I'm sticking that on. Final gift that I'm going to be showing you in this video is I did a little letter M collage for a person whose name starts with the letter M. So I just did photos on it, and now I just wrapped it in tissue paper, and I put it in this cute bag, and I have a ribbon that is both green and red. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it was kind of fun and gets you into the holiday spirit to see me wrapping my gifts, and maybe it'll give you a good idea of a last minute gift you can make someone. So I won't be posting until after the new year. So I hope that everyone has a safe and healthy holiday season, and I hope that 2021 is a much better year. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. See you in 2021.